Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's finally here. My Delta crj900 is finally here. Let's get right into it. I'm so excited about this model. I got it from Gemini Jets the second time they released it. I know if some of you guys saw my videos, they released it once and then a second time. So this is from the second batch here. Here it is. Let's open it up. Alright. And here we can see it's just that standard Gemini Jets packaging. On the box, forgot to go over the box, but the box is just a regular Gemini Jets box. And here we have the model. So I'm going to get this stuff cleared all out of the way, and then I'll get some first impressions. So now just first impressions on the model. As we can see, here's the right side of the aircraft. I'm showing you guys the right because the left, as I'm taking it out, the left doesn't have its nose gear there. Gemini Jets, where's the nose gear? This is kind of interesting. It's a model you really hyped up, we're all excited for, and there's no nose gear. So that's disappointing. But here we have the Delta CRJ. Let me just go over it really quick. So starting at the front, I'm going to go with the side with the nose gear because I want it to at least look, presentable. Let me get this focus. So starting here at the front, we have that perfect Delta crj900 nose. I'm not sure about perfect. It almost looks a little bit like drooped and slooped down, but that's just what, that's just me maybe. Then we have the Delta logo with the Delta connection right below it. That is great. Then we have some more windows. Here we have the wings. Then we have the registration. The registration is November 8215K. As we keep on going down, there we have the engines in the back, and then the tail. The tail is a pretty standard, not Gemini Jets tail, Delta tail. It looks a little darker than the rest of the Delta tails. I know if you watch my A220 video, it looks very bright and happy color, but I'm not sure. This almost looks like darker. Maybe the A220 was too bright, or maybe this was too dark, but it definitely looks darker than the A220's tail. Looking at the front of the aircraft, we can see we have the two engines in the back. You can tell it's kind of going down. It's on that down angle that the CRJ900 has. The two wings, and then that back tail. Now looking at the bottom of the aircraft here, you can see we have the tail in the back. It doesn't have the Delta logo because Delta doesn't put the logo on the CRJ900. I think they should put it on all of their planes. It looks amazing on the bottom of the plane, just seeing that Delta logo, but it's not on the CRJs. So here we have the wheels. The wheels are a main point for me here because they're not on the wings. They're in the middle of the aircraft. It's the same mistake they made a while ago, and they never fixed it. Why, Gemini Jets? Why did you do this? You didn't change the mold. Probably would have been a good idea. Here we have the model hole stand. If you want to put a stand on this aircraft. There we have the baggage doors, and then the front we have that broken nose gear. And then here we have a Gemini Jets logo, because what would a Gemini Jets plane be without a Gemini Jets logo? Thank you all for watching. Again, guys, I'm sorry I sound so sad in this video and just so bummed out because I am. This is a sad, I was very excited for this model. It's still a great model. I'm excited to have it, but the gears together, the nose gear falls off. It doesn't have any antennas or anything. It's a little disappointing, but otherwise, I'm happy to have a CRJ900. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're going to watch my next video, which should be coming soon. I'm going to have to order a replacement part for this Delta CRJ900. So, yep, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.